Good morning, class. How are you? Today I am here to teach you O sound words. What I am going to teach you? O sound words. What I am going to teach you? O sound words. Okay? So we are having some beautiful pictures with us. So with that pictures we will read the spellings of O sound words. So let's start. Okay? Are you ready for that? Okay. This is the spelling of cot. Cot. Cot means khatia. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Now you have to say O like aw. O like aw. You have to open your mouth. Aw. 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 Now say the spelling with me. C-O-T. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. This is the spelling of log. Spelling of log. Okay, you see the log? Log. L-O-G. Log. L-O-G. Log. L-O-G. Log. Okay, now spelling of fox. Fox is a wild animal. Fox is a wild animal. It lives in forest. It lives in the forest. The spelling of fox is F-O-X. Fox. Now repeat after me. F-O-X. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Okay. Now next spelling is dot. Like this we are putting dot. This is known as full stop also. Dot. D-O-T. Dot. D-O-T. Dot. D-O-T. Dot. Okay. Now next spelling dog. Boo-boo. Boo-boo. You see dog here and there? Okay, in your surrounding you see dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. Okay, it takes care of our house. Most of the people they tame the dog. Okay, they tame the dog because it takes care of our house. D-O-G. morning time and awake in the night time. WOWL, owls. Okay. Now next picture. BOX, box. BOX, box.